honorable guests, respected teachers, gents of this all locality, and students of Jamia Darul Uloom Miftah al-Ulum, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I have been invited here to put light on Ulama Deoband, I mean the great scholar of Ulama Deoband. Dear audience, there were almost 1,000 religious madrasas only in Delhi at the time of British arrival to the subcontinent. But those madrasas were soon closed and vanished by the cunning and cruel British, and a lot of Muslim scholars were assassinated by them. But it is a popular item. For every pharaoh there is Moses. I mean, for every Fir'aun there is Musa. In those days, Maulana Qasim Nanoti had a dream. In his dream, Imam al-Anbiya Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wasallam told him to establish a madrasa to secure holy religion Islam. On the basis of his dream, Maulana Qasim Nanotwi led the foundation of Darul Uloom Deoband in a town named Deoband. That's why it's known Darul Uloom Deoband. Dear listeners, Maulana Qasim Nanotwi led the foundation of Darul Uloom Deoband in a town Deoband. Therefore it is known Darul Uloom Deoband. Maulana Qasim Nanotwi led the foundation of Tabligh to secure holy religion Islam and to make sure its survival in some continent as well as in the entire world. The purpose of this madrasa was not only that to strengthen Islam, but also to give time to the British government in India. And thus, Darul Uloom Deoband became a great Islamic university, yielding a lot of Muslim scholars, thinkers, writers, and great leaders who serve the Muslim in different aspects of life. Dear listeners, Ulama Deoband is the name of Shaykh al-Hind Mahmud al-Hassan Deobandi, who was arrested and imprisoned by the British in Malta. He was there till Allah and was sad. He will be released if he gives statement or fatwa in the power of British government. But he clearly rejected this offer and said some unforgettable words. I am the inheritant of Hazrat Bilal Habshi Radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. I will never compromise on Islam. I will suffer hardship, but I will never give this statement on any cost. Ulama Deoband is the name of Ubaidullah Sindhi, who was deported for almost 50 years due to opposition and resistance to the British in India. Ulama Deoband is the name of Ashraf Ali Tanvi, who has written almost 1,000 religious books to guide Muslim Ummah. Ulama Deoband is the name of Muhammad Ilyas, who led the foundation of the Tabligh to preach holy religion Islam in the entire world. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, the Islam has reached everywhere in the world, and a lot of people accepted Islam on the hand of Tabligh worker, I mean Tablighis. Ulama Deoband is the name of Shaykh al-Hadith Maulana Muhammad Zakaria, who is the author of well-known collection of Hadith Mubarakah, namely Fazail Amal, who has been translated into different languages of the world and the most reading book after the Holy Quran. Ulama Deoband is the name of Allama Shabir Ahmadi Usmani, who played vital role in the creation of Pakistan, and he was also the first one who raised the flag of Pakistan in Lahore first time, and he was also the member of first legislative assembly too. Ulama Deoband is the name of Mufti Mahmud, who stood fast against the Qadianis and struggled hard to declare Qadianis as non-Muslims in the constitution of 1973. And he also played his role in the making of provisions of 1973. I want to conclude my speech by saying that, Alhamdulillah, Ulama Deoband have played and still playing vital role to guide Muslim Ummah. They are working honestly and enthusiastically. Therefore, we should to keep love with Deoband and Deobandis, because it is the second origin of Islam in the subcontinent. I want to finish my speech by this couplet. Zanjeer junoo ka tuhfa hai, zanjeer se kya ghabarana hai. Zanjeer junoo ka tuhfa hai, zanjeer se kya ghabarana hai. Hum haath badhaye hai pehno jise pehnana hai. वो मर्द नहीं जो डर जाए हालात की होने मंजर से, वो मर्द नहीं जो डर जाए हालात की होने मंजर से, जिस हाल में जीना मुश्किल हो उस हाल में जीना लाजिम है। वस्सलाम।